The New York Botanical Garden is a magical wonderland all 5 seasons of the year, including the holiday season. During the holidays, we have the Holiday Train Show. That's a New York City favorite. Kids love the trains. The adults are mesmerized by the landmarks, all made from plant parts, twigs, berries, branches, all wonderfully created by Paul Bussey and his team at Applied Imagination.
I have a 4-year-old and an infant, and they love to watch the trains. And the parents enjoyed it too because we got to see all of the sights of Manhattan in miniature.